Okay, now let's see what our baby is up to. Oh, this is the better looking baby. It turns on. Disk hardware configuration problem. Could not read. Check boot path and disk hardware. Good. I'm gonna have to definitely change the CMOS. Where's my Ventoy? Patriot memory. Definitely need like a wet cloth to clean this. VT loading. So this only detected an i686 CPU? What the hell? You know what? I'll come back to you. Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing Linux on this 2010 Acer Netbook. Forgive the mask and all that, but this was a little dirty and I got sick last time for 2 weeks. So whenever you're going to clean these things after not using it, saddle up and get some masks. So we're going to turn this on. Greeted with our favorite Windows error. Okay. 2016. Okay, so I guess the battery CMOS still works. Been 2 weeks, so we got 1 GB of RAM. Disk to disk recovery. We'll disable that. And we still got our favorite Windows problem. Now, let's see if this still works without the battery. And it still works without the battery. Here's the battery. System time still going. Lock it up. This will have to be plugged in no matter what. Oh, there's a USB charger port here. Ventoy loading. Okay. We're going to do Ubuntu 2010 October release. We'll boot it in normal mode, see if that comes in. I don't know what that logo meant. Oh, there's Ubuntu. Watch this Casper file system work. It's wonderful magic. There it is. It's already picked up wireless networks. Look at that. We'll just try it. Because I want to see if there's anything on the drive before I completely reformat it. Failed the unknown error. Oh, whatever that problem was, I guess that was it. Speaker works, wireless networks work. Applications from 2010. Let's see how well it runs Minesweeper on USB. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. No. Aw. Well, I almost got the board. Anyway, so that's Minesweeper. Graphics. Simple scan. No scan is detected. No wonder can I run more than one. Oh, I wonder. I'm going to remember simple scan for next time. I have a plan for it. Internet, empathy, internet messaging. I think that died. Transmission, BitTorrent client, disk burner, movie player, sound recorder, video editor, presentation spreadsheet, word processor, the basic stuff. Try the software center. Sound and video. I wonder, is Xbox Media Center? No. Kodi, probably because it's not connected to the internet, but check installed software. Okay. Third-party proprietary drivers, Bluetooth, 1200. Ooh. Hide technical items. Okay, we'll just do that. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, I guess they got this working. I wonder if it's going to work on my old laptop. Last time, this thing I had to install on 4 different laptops or 4 different drivers, and then it was like, oh, your fax jack is your speaker. I'm like, no. Your fax jack is your headphone jack. No. Movie player, network tools, power management, printing, Firefox extension, Ubuntu 1 account, not happening. Let's just get to places. 8 GB file system. That's not my USB key. Okay, let's see. Boot. I remember this. Windows XP Home. Partition 1. Disk multi, blah, blah, blah. Windows, NT detect. Let's see, anything in here. Icon view, no. List view. There we go. Let's see, help, installer, repair, system 32. Oh, my siblings haven't used this since 2011, I guess. That's when they got bigger laptops because they got older. All users. Oh, nothing of importance. So I guess it's good to just format over it. I guess maybe they tried to delete all the files and were like, nah, we don't need any of this. English. Please ensure has 2 gigs plugged in and connect. No. No, don't download updates. Try advanced. Well, we're going to make sure I do this correct. This is my USB drive. This one, format. Change. Use as. We'll stick with ext2. Format. Mount point. Correct this. Okay. Root file system. Okay. Change. root. Okay. Fine, I'll go back. Change this. Swap area. Okay, we're gonna do 10.24. Okay. Continue. Well, we got the disk access light over here running. I could have just used Windows XP. It's okay, I have another netbook I can put it on. We'll have one for Linux, one for XP. 4 minutes to make a 1 GB partition. Ah, there we go. New wave is better only because. Oh, is this done? No. Let's see. Dust sand. Oh, that looks like Mac OS. Just dots. Let's see. Background. Who are you? Your name. Tester. Your computer's name. AOA110. Well, at least it knows the computer's name. Tester. May not start or end with a hyphen. That's fine. Tester 1. Pick a username. Tester. Choose a password. So it only likes lowercase. Yeah, it's only lowercase. You suck. Alright, let me go through the slideshow. I wish they still made Mythbuntu for TV. Connect your phones and cameras to get started. Picasa still work or Flickr? At least with Ubuntu doing a Ubuntu One account, it's similar to the Microsoft account or Apple account, but you had the option to not go in it. Skype. Wonder if Empathy still works. I've never heard of identity.ca. I'm guessing it's Canadian. Yay, Canada. Well, if this is the case for Twitter and Facebook, I guess when I upload a video, I can do it right here. Not Flash. You poor guy. To fit real people. Tomboy notes. I don't know. Ubuntu support's no different than Microsoft and Apple, and it's all like, well. Back to the start. I'll just wait for this to finish. No CD-ROM for you. No, you're not online for a mirror. Oh, okay, let's see. It's in Messenger account. Remove from panel. There we go. Show the weather. No. Show the temperature. No. Location. Close enough. Monitors. Okay, man, we gotta be getting somewhere. Oh. Well, at least it's 16:9. It looks like it's still installing. And you can continue any changes. Okay, we'll restart now. Glib warning again. Off we go. And on we go. Connection refused. Kill it. What the hell? That's not nice to see. Knock, knock. So computer name, and then that's my username. Did I forget my own username? Password? Well, at least security's in mine. Okay, we'll just do this all over again. Nope. Okay. Well, gonna have to do this all over again. Hey, restart. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, we finally got that to knock. Let's see. Okay, now we're back in the system. Since it's 11 o'clock at night, it will be 23. This may be caused by network problems, repository no update manually. Okay, let's try applications, software center, sound and video. Let's try Cody. No. Xbox Media Center. Nothing. Okay. We're gonna try. Oh, wait. Oh, I saw Synaptic. 8,000 days ago. What year? Not necessarily hidden. Main home active. Let's try this. Sudo. Well, I guess it's all lowercase. You suck. Hmm. Now it's just sucking. Alright, after a bit of infighting, we finally got it working. So, I'm gonna try tools, update. Where's update? Mm, There we go. Let's see if we can get this going. Even though it's far away, it's actually pretty good at download speeds. Okay, so it looks like I can't do anything with this. It's the BIOS time. Connection refused. Kill it. Okay. Do the drive check. Says it's done loading, but doesn't show anything. Okay, we're gonna have to save this for another day. So we'll just do this and we'll continue some other point.